Hi children and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today we are going to do the little Singham. It is on demand, it's damn simple drawing, just follow few steps and it will be done. So what we are supposed to do is first make a U children, okay? And then we have to sing the song also, okay? Singham wala. Dun 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 dun. I don't know the song. So when you all are making the drawings, please sing the song. अच्छा यू करने के बाद उसके टोपे को ऐसा बंद किया, फिर ऐसा वापिस से बंद किया. बंद करने के बाद एक टिचुक बनाने का, एक टिचुक बनाने का, उसके बाद ऐसा गोल लेने का, ऊपर जाने का, फिर ऐसा गोल लेने का, इधर आने का. ओके उसके बाद हम इसको इधर हम लोग बनाएंगे उसका मेडल का, मतलब द 3 लाइन्स का जो होता है ना, बट हियर दिस इज द टोपा. ओके द टोपा इज अ लिटिल डिफरेंट. सो इधर का मेरा थोड़ा पचक गया है, बेचारे सिंघम को किसी ने बॉक्स मारा तो उसका टोपा पचक गया. बट सिंघम इज टेलिंग नहीं, मेरा टोपा नहीं पचकेगा. करेक्ट. सो दिस after that what we are going to do is make one simple line. See, can you see this one simple line? After making this one simple line, we are going to make the big chashma. Tenu kala chashma jajdawi, wo wala chashma, and the shine. This will become dark later on, and after that you are going to make his eyebrows. Now you will not be able to see the eyebrows now, or should I show it to you? I'll show it to you. These are the 2 eyebrows. See this one and this one. गुस्से में सिंघम. ओके अभी ऐसा लग रहा है ना गुस्से में, अभी हम लोग उसको स्माइल कराते हैं. ठीक है, आर सिंघम इज स्माइलिंग. तनु आंटी सिंघम शुड नॉट बी गुस्से में, है ना. अगर वो गुस्से में होएगा तो तनु आंटी डर जाएगी. अच्छा ये बनाने के बाद उसके मोटे मोटे कान बनाने के, गांधी जी जैसे. ओके हमारे सिंघम के हैं मोटे मोटे कान. उसके बाद इधर एक एस लिखने का और इधर उल्टा एस लिखने का. ओके सो दिस पार्ट इज डन. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट वी डू इज वी टेक द सेंटर हियर एंड वी मेक अ उल्टा वी. ओके आफ्टर मेकिंग द उल्टा वी वी गो अप. अभी इधर से वी कम डाउन फ्रॉम हियर वी कम डाउन लाइक दैट. And here we make a sleeves. Okay, now remember the sleeves is going to be little jadiya because Singham is a bodybuilder, है ना. He is an inspector, so his sleeves have to be a little jadiya. After that what we will do is we will take a turn here. Since we have come here, I'll show you. There should be one gun here, है ना. Singham के इधर gun होती है ना ऐसे. So you have to draw a L, tum tim tingat, tum tim tingat. Okay, and then you will make a pocket. The gun is inside this. Okay, and then this will be the belt ka. This is the belt. Now since he is an inspector, his uniform needs to be very neat and tidy. Then this is where his name will be written. This will be a pocket for him. These all are simple. And then again something here. After that here we are going to make मोटा सा ट्याऊ. अब ये स्लीव्स इधर है तो इधर ऐसे इसकी स्लीव्स है. ओके नाउ वो किसी को बॉक्स मारा डिशू करके तो उसका बॉक्स तैयार करते हैं हम. ओके सो हैंड गोज हियर, फ्रॉम हियर वी टेक अ टर्न. अभी इसका ये मुट्ठी है. व्हाट इज दिस? अरे ऐसे किसी को मारते वक्त बोलते हैं ना ऐसे तको, नहीं कैसे करते हैं आई डोंट नो. आई हैव सीन चिल्ड्रन डूइंग. ऐसा करके मारू के तको ऐसा वाला. ओके दिस इज द वे आई हैव सीन बॉयज डूइंग दिस. सो ही इज हैविंग हिज, ओके इट इज लाइक दैट, आई डोंट नो. सो ही इज, दिस इज हिज फिंगर्स. सो दिस इज हिज थंब, 1 2 3 4 fingers. Okay, so he is all set ready. Let us make it a little more fat because he is a bodybuilder. His hands cannot be that slim. Nah, he is a bodybuilder. It is like Popeye the Sailor Man. उसके भी ऐसे ही bodybuilder type हाथ होते हैं. Okay, after doing this, let us make his pants first and then we'll make his hands. Okay, so No, first let us make his hands. So let it come down like that. Then yes, it is equal. After that what we do is we take his hand down, जाड़िया हाथ down, and after that he is having a position. वो ऐसा कूद के आया है, किसी को कोई गुस्सा कर रहा था तो एकदम से कूद के आया है. So he is in the position where he has jumped and he has come down. Okay, I think so this part is a little, yes, it should be like that. Now his span goes from here, it takes a turn here. Now this is his pant like that, and over here will be his shoes. So a little part of his shoes will be seen. So this is the down part of his shoes. Okay, baki ka shoes is here like that, but we cannot show it like that. So this is the half part of the shoe. Now from here, somewhere from here you will draw a obtuse angle. From here you come down. Now this part has become a little motor, so let's make it a little shorter. Okay, and then his Singham wala shoes. Singham. So he has jumped to save someone's life. लो मैं आ गया, है ना, भूत पेशाक निकट नहीं आवे, है ना. He is like that. So let's make something down. I don't know what should we make. Let us make a stone. No, let it be like that. Okay, let it be like that. He's come down and he's all set, ready to box someone. Now we'll quickly do the outline of entire Singham and then we shall start with the coloring part. So first with the, I'm taking a thick marker, children, because this is a cartoon image. मेरे को पहले किसी ने बोला ना, मैम प्लीज़ सिंघम बनाओ. नहीं नहीं लिटिल सिंघम, आई डोंट नो, लिटिल सिंघम, हाँ लिटिल सिंघम. मेरे को लगा थोड़ा सा सिंघम बनाओ, एंड मैं फिर अजय देवगन की पिक्चर देखने लग गई. मैंने बोला आई लॉर्ड, ये तो मेरे से बनेगा नहीं. देन आई अंडरस्टूड लिटिल सिंघम इज लिटिल सिंघम, लिटिल सिंघम. Now see, this is his eyebrows. Okay, this is his eyebrows, this is his topa. When we color, you all will understand. Now this part is going to be black, so let's make it black. So this is his topa, this is the thopa, and his ears with mirror image S. Okay, then his nose, his smile. तनु टीचर का स्माइल कैसा हो गया, नोज के अंदर घुस गया, चलेगा. Then we make ulta V. It's a very simple drawing, children. See, ulta V, go up. Then this is his mota arms with folded sleeves. Mota arms with folded sleeves, and he is ready to box someone. मेरे इलाके में ऐसा किया, इसलिए he is ready to box someone. Okay, now let me make this with a small marker, otherwise everything will get गुचपू, है ना, फिर गुचपू हो जाएगा सारा. Actually last drawing was a tough drawing, that is why I have taken an easy drawing, the Singham drawing, but I wished to do something else. Now after Singham it is my number. अभी और किसी का मैं नंबर नहीं लेगी, अभी मैं अपना नंबर ही लेगी. You know, when I started I had removed so many drawings. अच्छा ये करूँगी, अच्छा ये करूँगी, अच्छा ये करूँगी, अच्छा ये करूँगी, पर ultimately what am I doing? I am just doing what is being told to me, है ना, इसलिए. So his shoes, pointed shoes. Okay, this is his shoes down here. Now should I take a patlu marker and do this? I think so I should do that, because otherwise, acha, this is not the nameplate, and this is the area where his medals will be kept. This will be Singham ka nameplate wala jagah. Yes. and then we make this part, the land and the sky part. Now it's a very simple coloring, no problem in the coloring at all. So what we have to do is, first and foremost, we are supposed to have the yellow ochre color. This is the khadi color. It is not exactly the khadi color, but please children, use this yellow ochre color. What I am doing is I am coloring this completely black with my marker. Okay, so I am taking my yellow ochre color and I am coloring his uniform yellow ochre. Actually this is not the color, it has a little green tinge, but we do not have that color in the 50 wala shade wala box ray. That is why we are using this yellow ochre color. It's a little bit of olive green type of a color, the khadi color. If you all find that color, please use it. I'm not using it because I did not find it. I'm using the khadi color. This will be the skin. Now this is the entire uniform to be colored without any shading, children. So it's a very simple drawing, and I wish my results of canvas and scissors, the yellow thumbnail. Now this month there is no thumbnail because I'm just putting the images like that on the thumbnail part, but the results will be out soon, children. We are working on it. Actually we did not get the time to go and declare the results with someone, that's why it's taking time. But children, please do make this and send it forward in the group Canvas and Scissors. Children from all over the world can join that group, and happy Tanu auntie by showing your talent there. Please join the group and show me the way y'all do it. I feel very happy when y'all do that and revert it back to me. Then I feel, yes, I have done a good job. So Singham. मेरे को आगे नहीं पता. I have taken my plain brown color, children, for this part. This gun part and all is also a little differently browned color. You all can use any, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ये सिंघम मेरे को मारना मत अगर तुम्हारे यूनिफॉर्म और तुम्हारे कॉस्ट्यूम में मेरा कलर का थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया तो I'm sorry. I'm late. Traffic jam. Okay, so I take my skin color to do the skin. So little skin here. The Kannada is skin. Skin on the face. So Chota Singham is easy. It is like that Augie the cockroach and और क्या क्या किया था. ऑगी वाली पेंटिंग तो मेरी सबसे बकवास पेंटिंग आई थी. पेंटिंग ही नहीं थी वो. इट वॉज जस्ट अ शी. आई डिड नॉट लाइक इट एट ऑल. एक्चुअली आई फेल्ट इट टू बी सच एन गंदा वाला ड्राइंग. द ड्राइंग ऑल्सो केम बैड. सिंगम डोंट गेट एंग्री इफ आई पता चला ये बॉक्स सीधा तनु टीचर के थोपड़े पे आ गया. सिंघम. उसके आगे पीछे मेरे को आता नहीं है, so excuse me for that. So सिंघम eats पान खाए सैयार. So what are we going to do is just brighten few parts which require it, otherwise it's all okay. And then we'll go and paint the background. If you want, you can paint the background, children. If you wish, you can even color the background. It's up to you. It's your choice. It's your call. इसका चश्मा मस्त है ना, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा इसका चश्मा. ये सिंघम वाली ड्राइंग है ना, मेरा एक स्टूडेंट ने पहले की थी, वेद नाम के स्टूडेंट ने, अपने आप, without my guidance. Nicely, yeah? This is his eyebrows, huh? Angry little young man, little Singham. मेरे को लगा छोटा सा अजय देवगन बनाने का, लिटिल सिंघम. I did not know this cartoon is out. So what we will do is paint the background. So I'll quickly go and get my brush. I had got my brush, but I don't know where do I keep things. My things go here and there and I keep on searching for it. Okay, I'll just stop the video, get my brush and come back. Okay children, I've come back with my paints and I'm taking my sap green color from this gully gully ganda, gully gully ganda, gully 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 ganda. I have my green color here. So what I do is paint my grass green. In the sky I'll do a little bit of karigiri. I want to do. इसलिए I will do it. If you all wish, you all do it. If you all don't wish, please don't do it. So I'm using my sapdi green, sapo ka green, sapdi green. I like this color a lot. Actually, I like all the colors. Basically, बस मैं ब्लैक की इंसल्ट करती रहती हूँ, बिकॉज ब्लैक एक बार खतरे की घंटी है ना, इसीलिए. बाकी आई लाइक ब्लैक ऑल्सो, हाँ, नथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके, लेट्स मेक द कलरफुल बैकग्राउंड. के सिंघम है ना, सिंघम आया है तो या सब ऊपर से फूल वूल सब बरसने चाहिए. सो लेट्स मेक अ कलरफुल बैकग्राउंड फॉर सिंघम, माई लिटल सिंघम. So let us start with the yellow color. I always start with the yellow color when I do a colorful background. Oh, I'm mixing. Can you hear the noise? Yes. A little bit of yellow color. Then we'll take a little bit of blue color. But since there was yellow in my brush, this blue color is looking a little green, but it's okay. Now let us take the pink color. Every time you take the color, please wash your brush. See my red color, my pink color has become so ganda. See, not expecting it to be so ganda. Okay, see, this is so bright and this is so dark because my brush was not washed in properly. So which color? Crocodile, which color do you want? So I've taken orange. आग बंद करके कलर लेते जाणे का, टेन्शन घ्यायचं नाही, फक्त कलर घ्यायचं. टेन्शन घ्यायचं नाही. करेक्ट. मम्मी पापाला टेन्शन नहीं द्यायचं. ऐसा बोलोगे कि तन्नू टीचर ने बोला टेंशन घ्यायचं नहीं, तो तुम लोग मम्मी पापा को टेंशन दोगे ना, तो उधर से तुम्हारे मम्मी पापा तन्नू टीचर को धोपटेंगे, बोलेंगे ये कैसी टीचर है जो बोलती है टेंशन देने को. मैं मम्मी पापा को टेंशन देने को नहीं बोल रही है, पहले ही बोल देती, पहले ही. I like the language too. Singham is also Marathi bhau, so even his language will be somewhat like that. Our Marathi bhau language. Na, he is a Maharashtrian Singham. Da 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 dun dun da da dun 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 Singham. आगे मुझे सब नहीं आता. ओके. Din 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 din. Hey, be careful, huh? Otherwise your color will mix. La 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 la. इधर कौन सा कलर करूँ? बोलो बच्चों. येलो कर दूँ? नहीं, येलो ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. क्या करूँ? ऑरेंज कर देती हूँ. Singham. So my Singham is ready with a colorful background and the green grass. Actually, there's a tiger photo behind Singham which I had seen in the net, but then I did not make that. It's a simple drawing of a Singham. Please do make it and post it on Canvas and Scissors group, which is a FB group for all children round the world. Bye and good night till then.
मन भवन उठे तन सिहर उठे जब खबर